Here's another clip from this week's live auction. Loads of fun once again at Prestige Auctions. Watch the clip, leave a comment, like and share, and let us know what you think.
Number 12 is an animated light and sound Santa box. No lids on this, that'd be £3. Please, sir. No, don't mind. No, I need to speak to the owner, Brenda.
Dicey!
I'll talk to you. I need to talk to you. Lot number 12 is an animated light and sound Santa box. I think I've got to ask Lisa this question because I think I've just told a massive lie. Is that? So is there two?
Yes, there's three.
Oh, I apologise. It's not all from one house. I've just seen a different name on the pad and I was like, that's not, I thought, oh God, we put it all in the wrong name.
There's four, the bulk of it is from one house, then there's six that's dotted about that came in separately.
Your mother wouldn't have known that, would she?
No.
How would you have known?
Because I thought, oh, look on there and see three different names.
Right, you have to think about this, right? So when I look at this and I think it's someone else and I see a different name, it could have been lotted wrong. That's why I had to ask later. You were here, you was in the home that day.
She's a woman, she's always right.
She's started doing this thing with the home now. She goes 1 day a week, getting ready. It's like an induction. Sorry, let's crack on with it. Sorry, this is your first time. It never gets any better. Lot number 12.